It's 12 o'clock na. And still gloomy weather, oh. So we're going to my uncle's house to look for food. Charot! With my son. And brother is there na. Hi! Smile! Smile! So you can see that person also. Yeah. We're going in here, guys. In there. So, oh my goodness. So it's wet. It's wet because it's always raining. Jaguar! Guar! Guar! Guar!
Ganda mo.
Hmm? Hmm?
Asawa na ko. Này nó. Ayo ba? Pati po juice. Ako? Masalit tayo? Ako.
Asa na itong pinidor?
Nilagay ng papa, upaw-upaw man. Taper. Nilagay ng papa na, upaw-upaw.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. And I have BFF in here. In my window. Hi Nook! Hi Nunu! Oops! 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 Cut! I need to cut. Okay. Cut and cut and cut. So the fruits of the malunggay is already ripe. It's good to plant. So we're going in there also. That's my, so I need to go on my likway. Diba? This is the likway. Aray. So my father has okra, lady finger. See that? So lady finger. So I got 3. So yeah. And then I need to get some of the liquid in here. So I need to clean this one to plant. This is my alagbati. It's very cloudy. And yeah. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.